Hey there, how is everybody doing today? I welcome you. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade. Today is going to be a very interesting stream. We're going to keep things short, we're going to keep things simple, and I hope that things are going to be very interesting. This is going to be an exciting stream for new traders on the starter status. I also have a few important announcements for you as well. Let's go ahead and check the sound and the picture. Please let me know if you can hear me and see me well before we get started. And actually, if you can, please let me know in chat if you are new to trading or if you are new to Olymp Trade. You can basically just type new in chat and I'll be able to know that if you are new and also that you can hear me and see me well. Hi, Angie from Egypt. Mohammed Tarek, hello, hello. Ahmad Saki, also welcome. My friends, while I'm waiting for your replies in chat, I do want to remind you to please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, show us your support, and of course, ring the bell so that you receive our notifications and so that you're always up to date on everything that we're releasing and everything that's going on. Whenever we start our live streams, you get notifications and stuff like that. You don't want to miss out. Alrighty, let's see. We have Toshan Sood. Hello from India. Welcome, welcome. Sai also from India. San is new. Welcome. Very excited. Akash is also new. That is great. Ubio is new with Olymp Trade, which is fantastic. Actor Gaming. Hi, Angie from Pakistan. Well, fantastic. Thank you so much for letting me know in chat. If you're joining in a little bit late, you can also let me know. I'll definitely check it out. Now, I think what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start with a few announcements. Then we'll check out the platform and, of course, enter some trades and complete our day. Try to complete some of our daily tasks. I've also prepared an entertaining game for you guys with some interesting questions and prizes. So you want to pay attention so that you can answer correctly when I ask you these questions. My friends, if you ever have any questions or maybe you want to share your thoughts, I urge you to leave comments below our videos because we love to hear from you and we love to chat with you. And I will also remind you about this at the end of the stream, but all of those that leave a comment below this video once it's posted on our YouTube channel, which is about 10 to 15 minutes after the live stream, will enter a chance to win risk-free trades during our live stream tomorrow. Whenever you do leave your comments, please don't forget to include your account ID numbers so we know who to assign the risk-free trades to. Let me just check in chat one more time. I do see a lot of hellos. Ahmed from Algeria. We have several people from India. Always love to see you. Telangana, very interesting. South Africa, hello. Astrid, everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. So yes, Mohammed Tarek, as I just mentioned, I do have a game for you. And yes, I do have some risk-free trades for you at the end. So my friends, this past Saturday, we finished our 6 Days Traders Way Challenge. You want to make sure to check up on our YouTube community, this is basically just our homepage of our YouTube channel. There's a tab called Community where we post important information. So right here is where you can get the list of all the winners for the challenge. Congratulations, everybody. Everybody did a fantastic job. I hope that you enjoyed the challenge. I know I did. And also in the community, just a day ago, we posted a where you can find special offer promo codes. You can use these promo codes when you are making a deposit and get an upgraded status for half the price, my friends. Who loves 50% off? I do. So definitely check out these the posts, and you can see the promo codes are in the community. The promo codes are also pinned in our chat, and you can also find them in the description of this video. So you definitely can't miss it. Now, basically, this means that with this promo code, by the way, I just want to show you one more time. If you click right here on more and click on statuses, here's where you can get like all the information on the different statuses and the different advantages that each status offers. So basically what this means is that with this promo code, you can get the advanced status when you make a deposit of $250. And you can get the expert status by making a deposit of $1,000, so half the price, my friends. But please take note that this promo code only works until the end of this month. So until February the 28th, this is a short month, remember that. So don't miss out on this opportunity. I do also want to ask you, my friends, in chat, can you guys let me know who is watching the webinar from their mobile phone, from their cell phones? So you can just let me know in chat by typing phone. What's really exciting for our mobile viewers is that we are starting to make YouTube stories. These are a series of short videos. So check them out by clicking on our logo. So my friends, right here, what we're looking at, this is our platform, and this is the price chart. Now, the price chart can be displayed in different ways. So it can be a line, an area chart. We can have bars. What I prefer is called the Japanese candlesticks. And the price chart, obviously, what it not obviously, but what it shows us is the price of an asset or a trading instrument. If the price is rising, we would see a green candle. And if the price is decreasing, it's falling, then we would see a red candle. Now, these candles, they do have 4 parts to them. We have the body of the candle, and we have these wicks or tails. Basically, what this means is if we have a red candle, as I just mentioned, that means the price decreased. So this would be the top of the body of the candle, that green shaded in area is the price opening. So the price opened at this level right here and closed at this level. These wicks, these shadows, they show us the maximum, the highest high that the price reached, and the lowest low, the minimum that the price reached during this certain period. Now, when I mention period, what I mean is the time frame. Here's where you can find the time frame. Now, the time frame is basically how often the price chart gets updated and shows us how the price changed during that period. For example, right now I have selected the 1-day time frame, and this shows me how the price of the asset changed within that whole 1 day. And obviously we can choose some lower time frames, like for example, an hourly time frame. And this is how the price changes every 1 hour. Now, I do have a separate webinar on how to choose the right time frame to trade. And I'll go ahead and place the link for you in chat. You want to check it out. If you're watching the stream after the live webinar, then you'll have a link up here in this upper right corner, my friends. Let me just briefly check to see who replied for me in chat. So Mohammed is watching from the phone, Subhan. So we do have a lot of people who are watching from their phones. And JC Pak 82, I saw your story about Bitcoin. Thanks. So really awesome. We're going to, release a lot more videos, so it's going to be fun. Check them out. Alrighty, so let's proceed. In the upper left corner is basically where you can find the different assets that you can trade. Or the trading instruments. These are different currency pairs, so currencies that belong to different countries, and how much you can purchase one country's currency with another country's currency. There's also commodities like gold, silver, Brent, and so forth. We have stocks, which open a little bit later, and cryptocurrencies and so forth. So this is basically where you can find all the different assets. A lot of times people ask, or when you just start trading, you do have a question like, what do I trade? And how do these different assets behave during different times? So how do I choose what to trade? I mean, there's a really large list to choose from. I actually have another separate webinar on assets and how to choose the right one for you. Once again, of course, I will post the link for you in chat. And if you're watching afterwards, check it out right here in the corner. So basically on this same page is where we can see that Olymp Trade has two trading modes available, which is fixed time, FT or FTT, fixed time trades, and also we have Forex. A very, very brief explanation, my friends. Fixed time trading means that we need to decide, we need to forecast, we need to determine or think where the price is going to go. So basically, is it going to be higher than this price after a certain period of time? Or is it going to be lower than this price after a certain period of time? Basically, the way that it works is that if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, then what I would suggest for you to do is choose the trade duration to be ×2 or ×3. So this means if I believe that the price will be lower than this price in 2 hours, I would enter a down trade. And if I believe that the price will be higher than this current price in 2 hours, then I would enter an up trade for 2 hours. Your profit is determined by this rate of return and depends on your trade amount. With Forex, it's a little bit different. The way that it works is that our profit, the biggest difference is our profit is not fixed. Our profit depends on how far the price will move in the direction of the trade. So if I believe that the price is going to decrease, I would enter a down trade, and I would close the trade to the maximum while it's moving down. So as long as it's moving down, I'm gaining more and more profit. Likewise scenario for an up trade. If I believe that the price of the asset will rise, I would enter an up trade and I would wait for the price to rise as high as possible. And this means that I would get more profit. So basically, this is the difference between fixed time trades and Forex. Let me go ahead and show you this right here. Once again, this is our homepage. Right next to the community on the left is where you can see different playlists. I want to pay your attention that we have a full playlist, 8 videos, Forex tutorial for beginners. And we have also a full playlist of 8 videos for FTT tutorials for beginners, or how to start trading fixed time trades. So don't forget about this section. Definitely check out these playlists. They will go in depth and explain everything, step by step on how to trade. But I also have another separate webinar where I explain how you can combine the two. So the best way to trade combining Forex and fixed time trading. Once again, of course, I will go ahead and place the link for you in chat. Enjoy, my friends. Okay, so when you first register an account on the Olymp Trade platform, when you just come to the Olymp Trade platform, you just register an account, you have a starter status. This is what we were briefly talking about in the beginning. We have the 3 different statuses: starter, advanced, and expert. And basically, whenever you trade, you gain XP. XP is experience points. Now, as you gain experience points, you get additional bonuses and prizes on the Trader's Way. Basically, this is the Trader's Way, and our last challenge for the past week that we had was dedicated to explaining how the Trader's Way works. And basically, on each level, you have a certain on each status, you have a certain You have certain levels, and you have some tasks that you complete, and you get even more XP points for completing the tasks. As you complete these levels, you get additional bonuses and prizes. Now, my friends, I do want to one more time show you the playlist. Right here, 6 Days Trader's Way. It's going to be the first playlist that you're going to see. Check out this playlist, and because we show you exactly each status, the advantages of each status, how to complete the levels on each status, the bonuses that you get on the statuses, and of course we show you how to complete the daily tasks. So you definitely want to check that out. I do want to also remind you that you get XP points, experience points for all of your trades on a live account, and once again for completing different tasks. I also want to remind you that right now we have the Silver Bowl tournament going on. It just started on Monday, so we are on day 3 of 14. There is a $500,000 prize fund as well as daily prizes, so definitely check this section out. You can check out the different daily prizes. You get prizes also at the end of the tournament. So you want to participate, you still have plenty of time. You can get all the information about the tournament by clicking on this information icon. Basically, what I wanted to mention about the Silver Bowl is that during the tournament on these levels, you also have a chance to win extra lucky spins. So there's like a spin the wheel that you can do, I believe it's every 24 hours, and win prizes. So more lucky spins obviously means more chances of winning prizes. And of course, they are only here for the duration of the tournament. Excuse me. My friends, we are almost ready to start trading. Okay, so what I want to show you is on the platform we have technical indicators. You can find them right here in the lower left section by clicking on this. I call it the little A. I do believe it's a tool, but anyways. Here's where you can find all the different trading indicators. Now, indicators basically, they help us with trading. They help us to determine and to identify where the price is going to go. Are we going to sell, trade down, or are we going to buy and trade up because we believe the price is going to increase? Now, one of the simplest indicators, it's one of the simplest, but it's very widely used. I can't go out without this indicator. It's called the moving average. The moving average basically, let me go ahead and make this just a little bit bigger. The moving average basically shows us the average of the price during a certain time span. Now, what does the moving average show us? If the moving average is pointing up, then the price is increasing. This is also called an uptrend. And during an uptrend, it's much better if the price is above the moving average, as we can see right here. We have a likewise scenario. If the moving average is pointing down, then the price is decreasing. So and basically what we have is called a downtrend. And in this scenario, in this case, it's better if the price is below the moving average, as we can see right here. Now, my friends, for all of our starter traders, our new traders who just started on the Olymp Trade platform, you already have a really awesome tool called the Moving Average Advisor. So on the Trader's Way, on the starter status, this first level, the Moving Average Advisor. The advisor follows a strategy with 2 moving averages, and it's going to give you signals or hints when to open a trade and in which direction to open the trade. So let's go ahead and start trading. Let's go ahead and see how this works in action. Alrighty, so the advisor you can find by clicking once again on this indicators tab. What we have right here is down here we have trading strategies, and then in the middle you see advisors. So you want to click on advisors, and right here you see that you have one advisor available for you to use, which is the moving average. So just click on it. Whenever you click on it, what you'll see right here is going to say waiting for signal. So that means that there is no signal at this time. Whenever we do have a signal, a light bulb will appear at the bottom of the screen. Let me go ahead and switch to a lower time frame. I'll probably look at the 1 minute time frame. And just so that I can visually explain to you how this works, I'll go ahead and show you on the indicators. So we have a simple moving average with a period of 4. This is the smaller period moving average, and it acts faster, it reacts faster. And then we have another moving average with a period of 60. So the higher period moving average is going to be our slower moving average. So we have a signal to enter a trade when this yellow line, the shorter moving average, the faster moving average, crosses the slower moving average. If it crosses this blue line from the bottom up, then we have a signal to enter an up trade. If it crosses the moving average from top to bottom, then we have a signal to enter a down trade. Now, what's really cool about this is that with the advisor, you actually don't have to have these moving averages on the chart. And basically, you'll just get automatic trading signals. Let's go ahead and look for some trades. What do you think? My friends, if you see, if you're trading along with me, if you see a signal on any of the assets, please let me know in chat what asset you are looking at and also which time frame you're looking at, and we'll look at it together. Alrighty, let's see if I can find a signal for you and show you how this works. Right now I'm going down the list of cross-currency pairs. And I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame, my friends. Okay, let me take a peek. If we don't find any signals on the 1 minute time frame, that is not a problem. We'll just go ahead and switch to a higher time frame. Okay, just a moment here, my friends. And once again, if you see a signal, go ahead and let me know in chat and we'll check it out together. No worries, I promise you I'll find a signal. Now, can you see how the yellow moving average, the yellow line is approaching the blue one? If we had a cross to the upside, then that would give us a signal. But my friends, what I want to remind you is that don't forget about your daily tasks. So my daily tasks for today, I will get 800 experience points if when I complete 20 profit-making up trades. So then I also need to open 3 trades of no less than $6. We'll start with that. So we're basically, it's better for us to find some up trade signals and also complete 1 profit-making trade of no less than $20, okay? So preferably looking for some up trades no less than $6. Okay, I want to see what this is doing. We're looking at the Euro US dollar on the 5 minute time frame. See a lot of rejection of lower prices. Remember these wicks that I told you about? They show us the minimum that the price reached during this time. So we see that a lot of people are... Okay, so right now, we have a cross of the moving averages. What you see is a light bulb will appear right here, and we have a new signal, let's say new signal right here. If I click on it, because I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame, the advice is to open an up trade for 10 minutes. And as you can see, the trade's duration is going to be shaded out, and you will only have the green button on the chart because that is the signal that it's given us. So I'm gonna do $6. Give me just 1 second here. I did mention this last week, but whenever we are trading with this advisor, you do want to kind of pay attention where the price is according to the nearest strongest level of resistance or support. We have a lot of videos on that as well. Basically, this would be a level that the price is having a hard time breaking above, or support on the bottom is for bears. Whenever we have sellers, we're trading down. So this is a level that is the price is having a hard time getting past. Okay, so I entered my first trade on Euro US dollar, looking at the 5-minute time frame for $6 and for 10 minutes because we had that cross. And now again, it's going to say waiting for signal because the signal passed. Alrighty, let me try and find some more. Let me try to find some more. Okay, so we do have a signal here as well. The advice is to trade down. Give me just a brief second here. See we do have a downtrend, but we did reach this level, and this is what I meant by a strong level that the price is having a hard time breaching. Euro CHF. Give me just one brief second. Let me just see what's going on overall with the asset. Okay, back to my 5-minute time frame. Advice down for 10 minutes. Ideally, my friends, what I would like to see is for the price to actually move below this level. So break this level to the downside. Then I would be more confident in entering this this trade down, because I see it's having a hard time. But we'll go ahead and try it. So for $6, and we're going to enter a down trade. Ooh, very little rate of return. I did not pay attention to that. You definitely, and that's one thing that you should always pay attention to. You want to trade on assets that have a higher rate of return. So this means this is your profit. So I try to trade with at least an 80% rate of return or higher. And of course, with an upgraded status, you get the higher your status, the higher rate of return that you can get. We actually missed a signal right here on the 5-minute time frame. We've reached another level of support. My tasks are asking me for up trades, and these are giving me signals for down trades. Okay, we'll come back to this and check it out. USD CAD is moving in a similar manner. We just missed this signal. So whenever we had this cross, we would have entered and made our profit because the price was lower than the opening price after our trade duration. Okay, so I missed that signal. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, this is the British pound and the New Zealand dollar on the 5-minute time frame. It does look like the price wants to intersect the blue line down. And also, if the price, the candlesticks also intersect this blue line down, it's going to be a good signal. Let's see if we're going to wait for this. Okay, GBP NZD, my friends. Let's get back to GBP NZD in just a moment. Okay, Euro New Zealand dollar. Let me see. AUD JPY 1 minute. Okay, let me check that out. AUD JPY on a 1-minute time frame. Let's see what you're looking at. Oh, yes, we did have that cross, but unfortunately I missed it. I should have entered when we at the initial cross, my friends. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame what's going on here. Get my trend line. Yeah, we're breaking this trend line. And the price is starting to move down. So this is AUD JPY. And the rate of return just dropped as well. This was a good signal, my friends. Good signal. but I did miss it. And I'm looking for up trades. Why is the price dropping? But very, very good. That was Jayashri. Welcome. Nice seeing you as always. All right, let's see what else we can find. Plus, this rate of return, the 30%, is not exciting for me. I want more money. I want more profit. Okay, let me see what I can find. Let's maybe just let me try and find at least one more signal, and I'll switch to one time frame higher, so 10 minutes. And 10 minutes time frame, this means that this shows me how much the price changed every 10 minutes. Alrighty, let's check again. Ooh. Okay, so this was our up trade on the 5-minute time frame. I do see that currently it is in the plus. Euro CHF. See, remember I told you that I wanted to see the price actually break this level down because it's a strong level of support. We still have 6 minutes, so of course we still have a chance. But this is what I meant. This is what I meant that you want to check the nearest strong levels of support and resistance whenever you do have a signal, just for a confirmation. Oh, this is going up. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. So this is 10 minutes up. We have a signal on the 10-minute time frame. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter two $6 trades. Remember, I'm looking for up trades. So that, as you can see, open 3 trades of no less than $6. I just completed my daily task. I won XP. My daily task is complete. And I give it just 1 second if this is going to disappear. Okay, I've reached a new level and I got a 30% deposit bonus. Let's see what else. So basically, as you can see right here, as you complete these tasks, you gain more XP points. You complete different levels, and as you complete the different levels, you get more prizes and more bonuses. So Euro US dollar is also good. The only one that's breaking my heart is Euro and the Swiss franc. A Euro US dollar is my friend. Well, I hope. Okay, so my friends, basically, this is how the moving advisor works for you. Basically, you don't have to have these moving averages on your chart. You can simply have the advisor and just pay attention to these light bulbs and the advice and the signals and trade along with them. I hope that you guys enjoy this strategy and this tool that is available to each and every one of you. So my friends, I think it's time for Jeopardy! I hope that all of you know how to play the game. So basically, alrighty, basically we have, let me just check one more time to see how you can see. Okay, everything's fine. You can see my face is not blocking. So basically we have 3 topics. We have FTT, fixed time trading, we have Forex, and we have the starter status, because today we're trading on the starter status. Each topic is going to have 3 questions with points: 100 points, 200 points, and 300 points. Whoever answers correctly in chat, the first person to answer correctly in chat, is going to get those points and also choose the next question. So we're going to have a total of 3 winners who accumulate the highest amount of points, and each winner is going to get a risk-free trade. I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one. I'll start with something simple. Let's go ahead and let's start with FTT for 100, my friends. So the first person who answers correctly in chat is going to get 100 points. Is everybody ready for the question? Is everybody ready for the question? The question is, when you just start trading on the starter status, before completing any levels, what is the maximum rate of return for FTT trades? While we were Now let me go ahead and do a little cheat for you. While we were going over the platform, I mentioned that you can go to more and click on statuses. Here's where you can get a lot of information on the different statuses, and here's where you can find a lot of different, a lot of the answers as well. Yep, euro, US dollar is my friend. Let me go ahead and switch back to the game. So the first person to answer it is Tinker. Tinker, 82. That is correct. 82% is the maximum amount that you can, the maximum rate of return that you can get on the starter status. So Tinker has 100 points. Let me just jot that down. Tinker for 100. So Tinker, go ahead and please let me know which next question we will proceed with. Please let me know, for example, like Forex for 200, starter status for 300, FTT for 300, and so forth. So Tinker, please choose the next question. Great job. I see a lot of people are saying 92, 82, 85. While I'm waiting for Tinker to choose the next question. No. Yes. Let me go ahead and go to our statuses right here. Starter status, rate of return up to 82%, my friends. 82%. Okay, let me see. Forex for 200. Tinker chose Forex for 200. Alrighty. So the next person that answers correctly in chat is going to get 200 points. Get ready for the question. It is, what is the maximum commission percentage for opening a trade on Forex on the starter status? Everybody to the status page. Everybody to the status page. I guess this is one of the things that I did not go over with you while I told you about the difference between Forex and FTT. On FTT, look at that, we have another signal up for 10 minutes. I think that's enough for me for right now. For Euro US dollar, we did have a splash of this activity, so I'm not going to answer this trade right now. So on FTT, on fixed time trading, there is no commission for opening a trade. On Forex, there is actually a commission for opening a trade. You can always see the commission right here before opening the trade, and the commission depends on your trade amount and also your multiplier. All right, let me go back to my game. And let's see who has who's got our answers. Let me just check who is going to be first. The first person is Fandy Lim. Fandy Lim said 15%. Let me just double check one more time to make sure nobody replied above that. Nope. Fandy Lim, congratulations. You now possess 200 points. Okay, let me write that down. Fandy Lim has 200 points. Congratulations. Great. So my friends, let's go ahead and Fandy, please let me know which question you would like to proceed with. Alrighty, so once again, that information was also available on that status page. Alrighty, Fandy Lim. So we have Fandy Lim is leading the board right now with 200 points. Tinker is in second place with 100. But we still have, everything is just ahead of us, my friends. Hi, let's see here. Hemant HS. Hi, can I have my own indicator templates? I do believe you probably mean. So I need to change. I guess you don't change your indicators every time that you log in. Well, whenever I have certain indicators on my chart, I don't have to, and I turn off my computer and then I turn it back on. The indicators are still there. As far as templates, that is a very, very good idea, a very interesting idea. very useful. We actually do have these templates on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As a matter of fact, on Friday, we're going to have a really awesome stream for starters on MT4. And we do have templates there. But I will pass on this information. Thank you so much. Okay, so Fandy Limps and FTT for 300. Ooh, risk taker, risk taker. FTT for 300. The question is going to be, how many commodities are available for trading on FTT mode? Commodities, these are gold, silver, Brent, gas. Now, some of the assets that we don't have on the platform, but that are commodities is, for example, sugar, dairy products. These are all commodities. Okay, let's see here. How many commodities are available to trade on FTT mode? 12. Ahmad, that is not correct. Raphael Jr., no, that is not correct. 4 is not correct. Remember, Mohammed Ramadan. Mohammed Ramadan is correct. First person to answer correctly in chat. So, Mohammed Ramadan. Let me just go ahead, write that down. Mohammed Ramadan now has 300 points. And Mr. Mohammed, if you can, please go ahead and let us know the next question that you would like to proceed with. We still have one more question on FTT for 200. Let me go ahead and show you this. Basically, remember I showed you this is where you can find all the different assets that you can trade. Fixed time trading Forex on fixed time. Commodities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't let these confuse you. These are they duplicate, I guess. So 6 commodities on FTT mode. Okay, just a second here. Let me go back to my game. Okay. Mohammed Ramadan, please let me know which question you would like to proceed with. Sasi Tharan is saying keep rollover option in Olymp trade. I'm not quite understanding what you mean, the rollover option in Olymp trade. If you can, please kind of elaborate. Ansh Sarogi, how to enable the moving average advisor. Okay, while we're waiting for Mohammed to let us know which Hemant HS, I did see your question. I actually just replied to you, so if you wouldn't mind, please don't repeatedly ask the same question. Let's see here. So how do you connect the moving average advisor? Once again, on the platform, let me go ahead and take this off. As I already mentioned, you already have, oh, look at that. I completed more levels and I got the stochastic RSI indicator. Whoop, whoop. So the moving average advisor is already available. What you can do is you can click on the indicators in the bottom left corner and click on advisors. Here's where you'll find the moving average advisor. If you by some chance do not see it in this section, no worries, you still have it. Go to market, click on my inventory. First is going to, this is the store, this is my inventory, this is what you have available. Basically you have right here moving average advisor, click on open and it's going to be right here if you by some chance don't see it in the advisors section. Let's see, where is Mr. Mohammed? Mohammed, what is the best way? Just a second here, Mr. Mohammed. If you can, please go ahead. If you don't choose a question, I'll go ahead and choose it for you. Basically, you just have to let me know, like Forex for 300, starter status for 200, FTT for 200. Hemat HS has a sad face. Let me go ahead and repeat what I told you. Currently, we don't have templates for the indicators, but the indicators that you have attached to your chart should always be there whenever you turn off your computer and turn it back on. So they should not disappear, but we don't actually have certain templates that you can add on the Olymp Trade platform. We do have templates on MetaTrader 4, and we'll go over that on Friday. Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the next question, Mohammed. Ramadan will go ahead and proceed, so we don't stay too long. Forex for 100. Forex for 100. Everybody, get ready for the next question for 100 points. What is the maximum multiplier on Forex? Maximum, easy question, my friends. Easy question. What is the maximum multiplier on Forex? Right now we have Muhammad is leading the Muhammad is leading this leading right now with 300 points. We have Fandy Lim in second place with 200 points. Tinker has 100. Alrighty, and I do see a correct answer from Dinesh D. Hello, hello. Nice seeing you. So Dinesh D just won 100 points. That is the correct answer. The maximum multiplier on Forex is times 500 whenever you are trading cross currencies. So Dinesh D, if you can, please go ahead and let me know in chat the next question that you would like to proceed with. So the multiplier is only available in the Forex mode. And it basically, you would take your trade amount and you would times the multiplier. So basically, if you enter a trade for $10 and you have, for example, the times 10 multiplier, this means that you're actually trading with $100 instead of the $10. The higher the multiplier that you choose, the higher the potential profit that you will make. But it's also a higher multiplier means that the stop loss is going to be closer. So if the trade starts moving in the opposite direction of your trade, it's going to close more easily. So do use a higher multiplier with caution. Dinesh, starter status for 200. Starter status for 200. Oh, the first time that we're checking this category. The question is starter status levels. What is the highest percentage deposit bonus amount that you can get on the starter status levels on the Trader's Way? I do have a hint for you, my friends. It's actually at level 7. Remember on the on the right hand side of the platform is where I showed you Tinker. Let me go ahead and just check one more time. My friends, I am looking at the chat from my side. I'm watching it very, very carefully. I don't really understand how sometimes for some people the chat is displayed differently, but I do hope that you will trust my my review of the chat. And actually, Tinker, you answered 1, 2, 3, the fourth person in my chat. But no worries, we still have a lot more. We still have a lot of questions to go. Excuse me. Alrighty, let's take a look here. Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got it? Okay, the first person that I see is Mina Malak Azer. Mina Malak Azer, you are correct. The answer is 50%. You can get a 50% deposit bonus on level 7 of the starter status Trader's Way. Let me go ahead and write that down. So we have Mina Malak Asir, and Mina just won $200. Excuse me, 200 points. 200 points. Okay, Mina, please go ahead and check. Let me know the next question that you would like to proceed with. Okay, so we're getting down to business. We have 4 questions. We actually have 2 questions with 300 points. So everybody has a chance to shoot to the top. Okay, let me see here. We're looking for Mina. So while I'm waiting for Mina to let us know which question we'll proceed with, basically remember, so this is the Trader's Way. If you click on the starter status, you can see all the different levels. And if you scroll down here, we can see that at level 7, we can get a 50% deposit bonus. Okay, Mina said I guess that's FTT for 200. FTT for 200. Let's go. The question for FTT. What is the maximum number of open positions that you can open on FTT on the starter status? So what is the maximum number of trades that you can open at the same time on FTT on the starter status? This is FTT for 200 points, my friends. 200 points. Okay, let me see here. Syed is asking, what is the best trade duration? So basically, we did go over this a little bit earlier. We are looking at our time frame. And our trade duration should be ×2 or ×3 our time frame. So if we're looking at the 1 minute time frame, our trade duration should be either 2 or 3 minutes. If we're looking at the 10-minute time frame, then our trade duration should be 20 or 30 minutes. Oh, I see a lot of correct answers. A lot of correct answers. Let me just check right here. Okay, so FTT for 200, and the first person is Mayur Gaikwad. Mayur. Please forgive me if I mispronounce your names, my friends. I'm trying my best. That is the correct answer. You can open 10 positions, or you can open 10 trades at the same time on FTT on the starter status. So Mayur just got 200 points. 200 points. Alrighty, great. Mayur, please go ahead and select the next question. Okay, we do have 3 questions left. Come on, everybody. We have 2 questions for 300 points. Don't you want to win? Don't you want to win? Surendra, which is the best indicator to work on? Oh my goodness, there is so many different indicators to choose from. While I'm waiting for Mayur to go ahead and select the next question, we have Forex for 300 and starter status for 100 and 300 points. Let me go ahead and just show you one more time. So these are our playlists where we have collected a lot of material, especially for you guys, to help you, to teach you, so that you can get more profit. There is actually some playlists that are called FTT trading strategies and Forex trading strategies, and there's actually another playlist that's called that's with different indicators, and basically we show you exactly how to work with different indicators. You just have to find the right one for you that you enjoy trading with, that brings you more profit. But there's a very wide range that you can choose from. And let me see, did Mayur respond? Let me see. Just a second here, just a second. Forex for 300. Okay, just 2 seconds here. I just want to show you, my friends, if you click on more, there's an education section. There is so much information here. I love this page. There's trading basics but especially for you, for indicators, go ahead and check these bottom 4. Trend indicators, oscillators, and drawing tools. These will teach you everything you need to know about the different indicators that are available on the platform. Forex for 300. You did say Forex for 300, right? Let's say Forex for 300. The question is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Start typing. What is the maximum trade amount on Forex? On the starter status. Excuse me. So this means what is the maximum trade amount that we can enter on Forex on the starter status. So for example, right now we were trading on FTT and I entered my trades for $6 each. So what is the maximum trade amount on Forex on the starter status? Dinesh D, $1,000, that is not correct. Ahmad Saki, 3,000, that is also not correct. My friends, go ahead and go to those status page, the statuses page that I showed you. All right, Faraz Abdelwashid. Faraz Abdelwashid is the first person to answer correctly. The answer is $4,000. $4,000 is the maximum amount that you can. Let me go ahead and write Faraz's name down before Abdelwashid. Okay, so Ferris just got 300 points. 300 points. So yes, the maximum amount is $4,000. Ferris, please go ahead and choose the next question. We only have two left, which is going to be really fast. As soon as the next person answers correctly, I'm going to go ahead and switch to the next question. $3. Kieran, that is interesting. I wonder where you got that amount from. Alrighty, Ferris, please let me know in chat what the next question that you'd like to proceed with. Bharat Rahul won $1. Oh, well, that's probably the minimum amount. If you're referring to that, I'm asking that the previous question was the maximum amount of the trade. Okay, I'm just double checking here. Yep, Ferris was the first one to answer. Okay, and starter for 300. The last 300 on our table. Alrighty, my friends, let's get ready. What is the question? The moving average advisor. We just traded with this advisor today, and I showed you this on the chart. Which two moving average periods are used for this strategy? I do so hope that you were paying attention, my friends. Remember, we have the smaller moving average period, which acts faster. That was our yellow line. And we also had a higher moving average period. That was our blue line. That's our slower moving average. So I'm looking for these two periods, my friends. While I'm waiting for your replies in chat, this may be kind of slightly a tough question, but then again, this question is for 300 points. Okay, Frankie got one of them. Ooh, Shramik Wave Car got it. 60 and 4. 60 and 4. Very good. Okay, 1 second here. Let me write this down. Shramik Wave Car just got 300 points. 300 points. Very, very fantastic. Great job. Thank you so much for paying attention. Remember, when you pay attention, you gain new knowledge, new information, and it sticks. Alrighty, so last question for today, and then we'll do a little roundup to see how everybody did. So starter status for 100 points, starter status levels. On which level of the starter status do you get the trailing stop loss? Trailing stop loss. Which level do you receive this indicator on? And I think I did remember seeing somebody briefly in chat asking about the trailing stop loss. Please check out our playlist for our 6 Days Traders Way Challenge from last week. And we did go in the starter. The first two streams, starter to advanced, we have like a blue cover. We go over the trailing stop loss. Okay, let's see here the correct answer. Let me check. Okay, Akshay Raj. Akshay Raj is the first to answer correctly. And it is indeed level 8. Okay, let me write that down. Akshay Raj. Well, let me just check right here. It looks like everybody, nobody got two answers correctly. We have everybody answered differently, and this is really exciting. I really love to see everybody participating. This is really cool. Okay, let me just double check here just to make sure, because I see a lot of numbers in chat, so I want to make sure that I'm telling you correctly. Akshay Raj answered number 8. Yes, that is correct. Great job. Just a brief second here. And basically, once again, if you look at these levels, and if you scroll down, level 8 is where the trailing stop loss will open for you. Okay, so what do I have here for us? We actually have Mohammed Ramadan with 300 points. We also have Ferris with 300 points and Shramik Wavekar with 300 points. And these are actually going to be our three winners because they accumulated the highest amount of points. My biggest congratulations to all of you. I want to thank everybody for participating. I think that was really fun, and we're going to have a lot more of these games and activities with prizes. If you would, please, Mr. Mohammed Ramadan, Faraz Abdul Wahed, and Shramik Wavekar, please send me your account ID numbers in chat so that I can give you your prizes and give you your risk-free trades. Now, my friends, I also want to, while I'm waiting for the account numbers in chat, I want to remind you that we have an awesome stream tomorrow. It's going to be with Yaroslav. And look at that trading signal. 10 minutes. Just a second here. Some rejection of lower prices. I'm going to try this for $6 down on this signal. Okay, my friends. Okay, so Mohammed Ramadan. Mr. Ferris, I see you for the account number. Thank you so much. Just jot those down. So what I want to remind you is we have another live stream tomorrow. It's going to be with Yaroslav. It's going to be really exciting. And everybody that leaves their comments below this video, once it's posted on our YouTube channel, basically about 10 to 15 minutes after the webinar ends, will enter a chance to win risk-free trades tomorrow. Whenever you do leave your comments, don't forget to include your account ID number so that we know who to add the risk-free trades to. And by the way, there's no restriction. The more comments you leave, the more chances you have of winning. Let me just check right here. We have Mohammed, we have Ferris, and a Shramik Wavekar. Shramik Wavekar. Please kindly send me your account ID number in chat. Okay, one more time. And if by some chance Shramik is not with us right now, I do. Okay, I see your account ID number. Thank you so much. Fantastic. 3721. Fantastic. Once again, I just want to congratulate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for joining today. Don't forget to check on our YouTube community. Don't forget to check out our stories. Don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed. I hope that you enjoyed this stream. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. And ring the bell so that you receive our latest notifications. One more time, everybody, thanks so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.